And here we go. This is what it boils down to in the trenches. Colts ball at the 3-yard line of the Tigers, threatening, knocking at the door. Want to get in there, open the door, or we'll bust the door down ourselves. The running game for the Colts has not been good at all. They have shut down bulldozer, and so now they're trying to get in, knocking at the door. Listen to that crowd. Tigers, Colts. Calling signals. Here we go. 5 plays left for the half. Up the middle, up the middle, up the middle. And he goes offline. Not a touchdown.